In this video, we're going to write the equation of a parallel line that passes through a given point. So in this example, we're going to use the equation y equals 3/2 x minus 1. And it's going to pass through the point 4, -1. So you're going to enter the equation in line 1, and on line 2, you're going to enter the ordered pair. If you click on the point that appears on the graph, you can see that coordinate. Parallel lines have the same slope. The slope of our original equation is 3/2. So the slope of the new line will also be 3/2. We use m to indicate the slope in a linear function. In line 4, we're going to write the general form of a linear function, which is y equals mx plus b. We've already assigned m to equal 3/2 because we're writing the equation of a parallel line. Now you're going to add a slider for b, and the goal is to make this green line pass through this given ordered pair. So we're going to drag the slider until the line passes directly through the center of that point. And you can see that value is -7 for b. This means that that green line crosses through the y-axis at the ordered pair 0, -7. That's the y-intercept. On line 6, we're going to combine what we know from lines 3 and 5. In line 3, we see that the slope is 3/2, and the y-intercept is -7. So I'm going to write y equals 3/2x minus 7. And you can see that when I do this, the color of that line changes. That's how I know that I've written the equation correctly in line 6. And that's how you write the equation of a parallel line through a given point with Desmos.